Welcome to BAKU channel. Welcome David. Hello David. Hula. How are you, Hula? Good morning to you. Good morning. This is Dali from BAKU Repairing Tools. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Welcome to BAKU channels. And this is the lead-free. It is new design, lead-free BGA paste. So this one, it don't need to cleanse and no need to it's non-balanced. And also, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please share our stores to your friend. Thank you. And we have another models is the BK051G. This is what's selling and the model, and the olive is SN63 and the PB37. Yes, PB37. And this is the Losins. And this is the BA, yes, the BA soldering flux, for the lead-free soldering flux, and the hologen free, and this model is BA 230, yes, 230. Hello, welcome to BAKU channels. Welcome David, welcome. Please follow our stores, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Hello, welcome PJ, welcome. And welcome LY, welcome this friend. Please follow our stores so you can find me again next time. And this is the lead-free soldering flux. Oh, welcome KONST Costin. And welcome AMIKOLA, welcome this friend, welcome to BAKU channel. Please follow our stores so you can find me again next time. And this is BAKU online showrooms, and we have more than 19 years experience on these fields. And this is the soldering flux and help us to impress the heating soldering, yes, the heating welded on the maples repairing.